getting in some breaking inputs. In fact, Payal Mehta bringing us some breaking inputs over there from the Shiv Sena sources. They're saying that the decisive victory of the Mahayuti is a clear mandate for development, stability and decisive leadership. This result once again proves who the real Shiv Sena is in Mumbai. The Sena that works on the ground and delivers results. Over to Payal Mehta for more details on this. Payal, many would say that ये तो बहुत पहले ही decide हो गया था जब symbols उनके पास गए थे.
Yes, Eknath Shinde has always been maintaining that he is DCM doesn't mean that he's the Deputy Chief Minister. It means dedicated to common man. He would call himself CM. As a CM, he would call himself somebody who worked for the common man as well. And time and again, the Shiv Sena, ever since the split, has proved that, who the actual Shiv Sena really is. The fact that Balasaheb Thackeray's legacy has gone to Eknath Shinde is a huge slap on the face of Uddhav Thackeray. At least that is what the Shiv Sena on the other side seems to be really thinking, and the performance has been adding up. They've been very, very confident, Akansha, from day one, that their alliance will work magic in this election. It's a big, big stamp of approval as far as the BMC elections are concerned, big stamp of approval as far as the multiple municipal corporations are concerned, and the BJP and the Shiv Sena coming up as a formidable force. Of course, the architect of the BJP is undoubtedly a person called Devendra Fadnavis, who's gladly once again being referred to as Deva Bhau's magic as well. So big numbers coming in so far. We'll have to wait for the final results, but the writing seems to be pretty much on the wall, on the lines of what we saw yesterday at the various surveys that were out.
Okay, many thanks to you, Payal, for bringing us all those latest inputs. We will keep coming back to you as more information actually trickles in.